Hey folks, today is August the 28th. It's currently 6:47 in the afternoon. We're going to do our final Titan G27 update review. This is going to be week number 9. All right, let's get over to the review page here and see exactly what happened. Wow. All right, so it looks like this week we gave back all of the profits that we made previously. That is unfortunate. All right, so at present it looks like we're down 9.52%. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the MyFX book account and see exactly what happened here. Today alone we lost 1.79%, and this week we were down 15.81%. Wow. That's all I can really say about that. So at this point right now, you can see June minus 1.22, July minus 1.21, and August minus 7.28%. That's an unfortunate end to our test here, but my job here is to report to you guys exactly what happens, and so that's what we do around here. All right, let's go ahead and see if they had anything to say about this in the group here. And we can scroll up. First day of the week was the 24th. All right, here we are. Just a heads up, the weekly goal function of Titan X is still in beta testing. In the meantime, if you're using a live account, please do not rely on the weekly goal function. All right, so that's an update on Titan X. All right, so here are some other updates. Titan X tool and Titan G27 updates are now available for download. I did not do that download for Titan G27, so we'll see how some other individuals that did do that download fared this week. Maybe they did a little better. Here are the 2 action steps. Update the Titan X tool to version 2.0. Update Titan G27 to version 1.6. All right, so that's pretty much everything they said this week as far as updates and announcements. All right. Let's go ahead and jump in here to the members area. Hopefully we can find some other individuals that have updated. All right, actually, let's go ahead and jump into the MT4 before we go into the members area. Let me pull that up real quick so we can see it on the charts. All right, guys, as always, I'd like for you to actually see the MT4 just so you can see that everything is lining up with what's been said. You can see here, got $27.62 going into the weekend. But as I stated earlier, we took some heavy losses this week here. And let's actually see what those were in. I know gold has been giving us a lot of large wins recently here. All right, so it looks like this time around gold gave us some pretty heavy losses instead of wins. We got $63.76. That was a loss there. Another gold trade, lost $52.58 there. All right, so yeah, it looks like instead of being helpful this week, gold was unhelpful. All right, $51.50. So you guys kind of get the idea. Lots of little small losses as well. Did have a few okay winners there. But at the end of the day, it wasn't enough to keep us in profit. And beyond that, it wasn't even enough to keep the profits that we had earned from the past 2 or 3 weeks or so. So this is just where we stand right now. There's gold again, 824. All right, so we got a few stop losses hit with gold. Man, that's unfortunate. All right, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and jump back over to the members area, and we'll see exactly what everybody else is reporting. All right, let's jump in here real quick and take a look and see what happened as far as news this week. All right, so it looks like it was a pretty light news week. Monday and Tuesday, nothing really that would have caused those heavy losses. I think we might have just been trading in the wrong direction. All right, so it looks like Thursday, Fed Chair Powell speaks. That right there, I'm pretty sure, was put some volatility in the market. High impact expected. That was on Thursday. And I'm actually going to take a quick look here and see if most of these trades happen on a Thursday, because if we got some random spikes, that might have been enough to take us out of some of those trades we were in. That was the 27th. And I'm just curious about this. So we're going to see where those heavy losses came in at. All right, so here's close date. That was one. That was on the 28th. Let's go back a little bit. All right, this is the 27th right here. Now we're looking for those gold losses. Here's one here, 52.37. Here's another one, 52.72. And all right. So it looks like a lot of our heavy gold losses took place on the 27th, which was Thursday. And interestingly enough, we did have this USD Fed Chair Powell speaks news coming out. So it's possible the gold chart, had a spiking reaction where it, kind of whipsaw, shoots up, shoots back down. So that's possible. All right, let's go ahead and jump in here. And let's keep on scrolling down. What happened to Titan G27 today? Why did this happen? And what should you do about it? All right, they usually have questions where we kind of get an idea of what the members are feeling. So let's go ahead and jump in here and see. If G27 underperforms during choppy periods, why is it even trading during ranging markets? It appears that G27 shines in trending markets, but what is concerning is that G27 is supposed to win big and lose small. These losses fit outside the definition of small. Let me see what he had to say about that. We don't know when the choppy market will end and the trending market will begin. This is the same system that has been trading for the past 7 months. You'll notice that the wins are in fact bigger than the losses. All right, there's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Thank you guys for addressing my concerns. It shows that people are not as comfortable with trading in risk as they might think. Okay. Can't you guys work something into the system so that when there's a reversal, that we at least make a small profit instead of such big losses? It's called Titan X, or lowering your risk settings. Haven't really looked into Titan X. Probably most likely won't. I'm using Titan X as well, and so far so good. I'm just concerned about the big losses. All right, let's keep on going here. Fund more. I am consistently funding every month. Same. I won't be putting another penny in until I've seen my deposit and my subscriptions recovered. Fair point. All right, drawdown in both my accounts and my client's account has far exceeded the expected drawdown from the back test. I'm glad the drawdown hasn't been too bad for you guys, but that is not the experience of my client and I. All right. Also, just to get the point across a bit more, at the current exchange rate, the monthly fee adds up to 2,412 AUD per year where I live. That's more than any signal provider out there. They are still getting their monthly subscription fees regardless if you lose money at the end of the month. Read the top comments. All right. So again, lots of people not happy. Isn't this relying on gold to make profits? Gold is a big player, but one of the 27 pairs being traded. All right, too many strategies kill a system. System gets confused whenever a choppy market happens. All right, so you guys can kind of get an idea of the sentiment right now. Without gold, is G27 system still profitable? Over back testing, yes. All right, let me get beyond this so that we can see something here. I started a new account with the new subscription last week, 5K balance, 0.01 per 2,000. I'm now almost 20% down in red. Max drawdown 25%, which is nearly, should I be worried? All right, so those are, that's some of the feedback from other members, as you guys can see. Definitely trending on the negative side at this point. Wow, impressed with Titan X. This is what somebody wrote on August 26th, which was Wednesday. I'm making 1K a day unchallenged, maintaining a drawdown of 250 to 2K, and now equity protection feels more confident to pass the challenge. Thanks, guys. When if I pass the challenge, I'll post the BEF t-shirt picture. All right. Anyone else losing serious money over the past several days? I have to post here because the moderators won't let you write a post if it comes across as negative. All right. Starting to get a little nuts. I'm down about 40% total. I took about a 20% loss overnight. How's everyone doing? All right, let's go ahead and check and see how admin has fared this week. All right, G27 live accounts. Check on their aggressive. Wow. All right, so even though I'm assuming they have updated their software, they still took those heavy hits this week from those gold trades, I'm assuming, and they're down 26.55% this week. All right, here's the second aggressive that's larger, 28.02%. Moderate, 21.97%. All right, let's check at least one conservative. I'm not sure if this one is up. I didn't think so. Okay. We'll try this moderate right here, and that'll be the last one. All right, there it is. All right, so down 19.21% in this account here. And again, all of these are live accounts. And at one point they were pushing up just like me, up 18%. And now they're down 9.22%. Total of 10.08% down overall. All right, so unfortunately we were not able to close out any of the Blue Edge financial products profitably. And even if we come back over here, we can take a quick look at Titan G7 down here. And as you guys can see, it's still been running in the background. And it's actually up $51 from a high of 28. So it is giving back the great majority of the profit that it made. So if we're being specific, Titan G7 did pass testing, but all of the other products have not done well. I cannot recommend Titan G27. It failed. And as well as the original Titan, I'm pretty sure failed testing as well. All right. All right, so that's going to be it for that. This was a 9-week test. That's not too bad, I guess. The original Titan, I don't recall how many weeks or months we tested that one for, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere, so you guys can check that out as well. And I will update the system review page here momentarily. Let me see here. Titan G27. Right now it shows in progress. When you guys come to check this out, just so you know, not every system passes testing. As you guys can see here, there are several that have failed. Lots of red up there. And Titan G27 also is going to be red up there. All right. So that's going to be it for this test. And I will hopefully see you guys on the next test of something new coming up over the next few weeks. I have a few products in mind, and I might do something different this time where I use YouTube and let you guys pick out of 2 or 3 products to let me know which one you'd prefer to see me test. All right, that's going to be it for our Blue Edge Financial and Titan products. We're going to put this behind us, and we're going to move forward with something new. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will see what the next few weeks bring. Take care, folks.